Hello, Busiafo. Wason for Kwame Chumesini. And then, me ba bekyerɛ how you can buy RMB safely in Ghana. This has been one of the challenging factors. Those that are into mini importation, edi omu enya panye. Ebi edi ebi sika eye nanka. Ebi so ewo trust issues when it comes to a reliable RMB agent in Ghana. Myself and my team know we've been able to solve this issue, and starting from now you'll be able to buy RMB transparently and easy on our buy and sell platform. Mwamunim say if you are into buying things from China, one of the standing blocks is to how to pay your suppliers easily in their currency and how to fund your Alipay account easily. On Buy Sell Club, now you'll be able to fund your Alipay easily. And the more we're transparent and say every day, Biano, you'll be able to head on Buy Sell Club and look at our current RMB to the Ghana Cedis rate. Also, so if you are not able to pay your supplier easily now, we'll be able to do that for you easily. This is our own system. And in case you have any issue, please feel free and reach out to Kwame Chumesi, and I'll make sure I'll solve your issue for you. Without wasting much time, let's head on to Buy Sell Club and let me show you guys how to buy RMB safely in Ghana. Okay, guys, into my Buy Sell Club. As you know, we offer a lot of services. Okay, but at the end of the day, we are going on how to make Ali payments in Ghana. All right, into you quickly have to log on, register account, I register. I've already registered into I come here, then I go to my profile. Maybe my profile, I'm using PC now. I'll do this demo on phone for you guys to see. Into my profile, okay, all the services we provide, into I'll straight away go on Ali payment. After I click it, submit payment requests. Click on as well this dashboard, beba. And 3 easy steps, very very easy. You enter your details, payment instructions, upload proof, as easy as that. And see, we have the selected platform. You can select any platform, 688 Pindodo, Alibaba, Idealfish, or any platform. Or platform in here is okay. We have this platform here, ABA Uti or supplier car. Then we know say or supplier and or ABA 1688. But if you don't know, just select anything. It doesn't really matter. Conversion rate is here. Where the cedis to the RMB conversion rate, and then so they will see rate updates every 30 minutes. Yeah, and the ABA me record the video a bit to me I then perform and a bit to me akosro. Okay, account type. So if I see a supplier card directly, I just select the supplier. Now I enter supplier any details. If I see a tier or personal account, we'll select here and enter your personal details. Which I'm clicking on supplier, Alipay account, details need a bit different. Me click on supplier, so our details on see a little bit different. In terms of we are doing personal. Your Alipay account number, most times, you're from Ghana, it starts with plus, like 233, and your email, and your real name account, and also the Ashaha. I have a QR code. It's a QR code. I will say your payment to Ali. Who usually pay? They have a QR code, and also upload it. After about select currency now, you can check the rates whether cities and RMB and yuan. All right. Into cities, ABM per 6,000 cities. Into selected 6,000 cities. Well, that means Menya and Yebitia 3,414 RMB and yuan into your Alipay account. And I say a WeChat, so I bet you into your WeChat account. And say ABA say auto ABA 6,000 RMB. After you have to pay 10,544, what do you call it? Ghana Cedis, as easy as that. And here very straightforward, very easy, very transparent. And so what I'll do now is I'll jump on the phone because I know most of you guys will be using the phone, and I'll show you guys how to do it. Okay, and see, or buy a website in Iswa. You can check the rate, the display rate, on a daily basis. And to check it, to see a rating is 0.567. Then you go into your profile. Into Mamin Tremo. We call the three lines at the top now. No, I call your profile. We call accounta. No, I call Ali payment. Into way baby. All right. Into your supported platform. Yeah, you can select any. It doesn't really matter. We are exchange rates in the world. So you your supplier, maybe select a supplier, and now your personal account select it personal. In this regards, you are doing personal. Now, Faye, what day your Ali payment ID, which is your phone number, no, with the plus two three three in the back home. We are your username and also open enter into a your boa, Bernard enter wahano. We are your QR code. We select your QR code. Baby, you bet you sikano egu. And if it's your personal one, your personal one. If it's your supplier one, you put your supplier one there. After the conversion rate, there is two types, either Ghana Cedis and Yuan and RMB. Until we know we want 6,000 RMB. And now the cost Ghana Cedis were better the converted amount in RMB, vice versa. All right. In 2 year, Nefe also make you payments. Payments, your payment details now, and you pay directly into a business registered business account. And then what up? Nefe, what share amount you need to pay in Ghana Cedis. Once you make the payment, you have to upload the receipt of the payment. So the bit me say wait ya now receipt in here. Instead of my uploading, and I then may submit it. Or submit your notification say yes was submitted your RMB request. And you will also get a notification on our end. The bedroom says here, and we'll move from here, we'll go to our email, your bigger notification. In your notification, now you're processing amount. If it's between, what do you call it? So that our status is pending because we've not processed. If you make the transaction between like a usual working hours, maybe a 9 to 5, now you'll be able to get it within the same day. But making maybe after working hours, maybe the next day, and if we are still online, we'll get it for you. Payment tonight, requesting a yehu with all your details, and we will, what do you call it, process for you. Everything is transparent. You get a notification say we'll start this, complete, and we'll also make sure say we pay your Alipay account and now we pay your supplier. Any questions, comment below. And that's all for today, guys. If you've not subscribed yet, you know what to do. Please click on that subscribe button and subscribe. And Kwame Chimesi, I've got a lot of amazing content coming to you in 2026. I'll see you guys on the other side. It's a bye for now.